Ever feel trapped in an endless, mindless scroll, unable to stop even though you want to? This common struggle, known as dopamine menu doomscrolling, happens because your brain is desperately seeking a quick chemical reward. It's not laziness, it's a biological drive for stimulation that short form video exploits perfectly. This cycle is particularly vicious if you struggle with executive dysfunction. Creating a dopamine menu ADHD strategy is one of the most effective ways to break this loop. Instead of letting algorithms dictate your focus, you pre-plan healthy stimulation. It transitions you from being a passive consumer to an active participant. Today, we're breaking down the science of the dopamine menu. We will cover exactly how to stop doom scrolling, increase your daily productivity, and fundamentally change your approach to self-improvement. Stop relying on willpower alone and start designing an environment that actually works with your unique brain chemistry. Micro-engagement. Look closely at how your current routine is structured. A concept popular on TikTok, the dopamine menu or dopamenu, is a curated list of stimulating activities. It serves as a tool for a dopamine detox, guiding you toward healthy, nourishing actions instead of quick, draining, unsatisfying digital hits. To generate effective dopamine menu ideas, categorize activities by time and energy required. Include starters for quick, low-effort engagement, like a 2-minute stretch, mains for focused work, like 20 minutes of deep reading, and desserts for high-energy rewards, like gaming, preventing the brain from stalling out. Micro-engagement. Have you tried documenting your energy levels? Learning how to make a dopamine menu that sticks involves critical self-observation. Using a dopamine menu journal to track which activities genuinely recharge you versus which ones just leave you feeling empty is key to personalization. You must identify what actually works for you. Implementing an ADHD dopamine menu means engineering friction between you and doom scrolling while simplifying access to your healthy options. When the inevitable urge for stimulation hits, having your pre-made menu visible on the wall provides an immediate, low-effort alternative to just picking up your smartphone again. Ultimately, this is a path to creating sustainable productivity and genuine self-improvement. By understanding and managing your dopamine responses, you regain control over your attention. This isn't about avoiding pleasure, it's about curating experiences that truly satisfy your seeking brain long-term. Micro-engagement. Which starter activity will you try today? Break the cycle of dopamine menu doom scrolling now. Spend 5 minutes today creating your own specialized dopamine menu. Subscribe for more science-backed, actionable strategies to optimize your cognitive health and achieve digital wellness. Start building your focus muscle today.